Hey everybody, Dave here, One Mechanic, taking part in the Tech Stocking Shop series of ratchets. Most used ratchets, favorite ratchets, best ratchets, however you want to look at it. So today I am going to show what my everyday ratchets are that are in my cart. And I have more ratchets, and actually on my personal channel, after this series is up, I will show you all the ratchets, besides the ones I use every day, all the ones I have in my collection. But you'll have to check my channel out, and that'll be after this series is over. So it'll be 2 or 3 weeks, so everybody has a chance to show off what they like or don't like. But yeah, check out what I got. Let's see what you think. Be right back. These are my everyday wrenches. These are wrenches that I keep in my cart because these are my go-to, not wrenches, sorry, ratchets, my everyday ratchets. And this is what I keep in my cart, and the cart has my everyday tools. I have other ratchets, but these are my everyday ratchets. So we'll start with the smallest. Snap-on quarter, snap-on quarter with locking flex head. I love this, I go to this all the time. And then I have this Easy Red. Oh, there you go. So you see that or not, Easy Red, which is a quarter and a bit driver. I've never used the bit driver side, but the quarter side I've used all the time. I like how skinny it is to get to tight spots and how long it is. So I use that quite a bit. Then we'll go to 3/8. I want to start with this one first. So this is my Cornwell stubby 3/8. Had this for a long time. Never had an issue with it. This is great. Then I bought this snap-on flex 3/8, not locking, and this is great. Then I made this one. See how long the handle is? This handle actually came off a quarter drive, and I swapped the heads on it to put this 3/8 heads on it to get into it. There's been a couple times on the international engines, like on the fuel rail, where it's been easier to get that banjo bolt off the end of it. It's not really tight or anything like that, it's just hard to get to, and with the extra length, this helped me get to it. So I don't use this one often, but I keep it in my box so I have it when I need it. This is my everyday 3/8, snap on again, flex, not locking, hard handle, orange, I know, gotta have the orange, right? But this is my everyday. Then this is my extended handle snap-on, non-flex, 3/8. And then for my really long one, it is a Mac Axis locking flex head. And I love the lock feature. I love how flat this is. On the snap-on, they have this bump sticking up, and I've actually hit that and unlocked the head by accident without realizing it. So I love this feature. Super smooth. This is a great ratchet though. I use this when I need a little extra oomph to put on it. And then my final ratchet is this 1/2" drive, long flex snap-on ratchet. I don't have a short 1/2-inch drive in my everyday ratchets because, I mean, usually anything smaller, I'm using my air impact with it, or using 3/8 to do a lot of my stuff. So I don't really use the 1/2-inch to do lighter jobs. So that's why this is the only 1/2-inch that's in my everyday box. Any other 1/2-inch I usually use with either a battery or air tool. But that is my everyday. Those are my ratchets. My personal opinion, Snap-on still makes the best ratchet. I'd recommend to anybody who's in any kind of technical school that has a tool truck, especially a Snap-on truck, buy the ratchets. Don't care about anything else, buy the ratchets. I have the Mac too. The Mac have been flawless for me. I've seen some people have some issues with the flex heads. I personally have not had any. So maybe I'm just lucky that way. But also, to be fair, I'm using power tools more than I am ratchets. I'm usually using electric or electric or air impacts most of the time. Not always, but more so than a ratchet. Now my quarter ratchets I use all the time, and that Snap-on with the comfort grip handle and the flex head is my #1 ratchet I go to. And then that extra skinny Easy Red one I use quite a bit for dash work. It just come out really handy. But that is what I have. So thank you very much for watching. One Mechanic Dave out. Ciao.